Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Liz St. Louis and I'll be your instructor for Structure and Function this term. Before we start, I wanted to share just a bit about myself so you can get a chance to begin to get to know me before we start working together. So I live in Minnesota with my husband and my three school-age kids. They have lots of activities, so we spend our free time kind of chasing after them and watching them doing what they love, which we wouldn't have it any other way. When I have free time myself, I love to read. Um, if left up to me, I would stay up way too late reading every single night. I love to run outside kind of year round in the Minnesota winters, as long as it's not too icy. There's nothing like getting some fresh air and sunshine every day. And I like to travel. So, my background, my educational background is in chiropractic. I practiced chiropractic for 14 years before starting to teach and have found sort of a newer love for teaching. I love working with students and sharing the human body with you. I think you will be surprised how much we'll learn about the body and just how awesome it is in 5.5 weeks. So I'd love to learn a bit about you. Please share a bit about yourself, your name, where you're from, and who inspires you to pursue your education. I look forward to meeting you.